Are you looking for the best 3D printer for creating models, prototypes, toys, decorations, or functional parts? A good 3D printer should offer accurate printing, fast performance, simple setup, reliable bed leveling, broad filament support, and an easy-to-use software ecosystem. In this video, we've selected the 5 best 3D printers of 2026 based on printing speed, precision, build quality, automatic calibration, material compatibility, ease of use, noise level, and overall value. Whether you need an affordable beginner model, a compact printer for home projects, or a high-speed machine with optional multicolor printing, there's an excellent option on this list. Stay tuned until the end to discover which 3D printer earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. Bambu Lab P1S 3D Printer. Starting our list at number 5 is the Bambu Lab P1S, an enclosed Core XY FDM printer designed for beginners, hobbyists, and experienced makers who want fast, precise printing with minimal setup. It arrives largely ready to use and can reportedly be prepared for printing in around 15 minutes. The P1S reaches printing speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second with acceleration up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared, helping complete larger projects more quickly. Automatic bed leveling simplifies calibration and improves the chances of consistent first layers and successful prints. Its fully enclosed design provides a more controlled printing environment for materials such as PLA, PETG, TPU, PVA, PET, ABS, and ASA. It is also capable of printing PA and PC, although carbon and glass fiber reinforced polymers are not recommended. The printer can produce models in up to 16 colors or materials, but this feature requires compatible Bambu Lab AMS units. Users also receive access to the Maker World model library for finding ready-to-print designs. Pros: up to 500 millimeters per second printing speed, enclosed Core XY construction, automatic bed leveling, beginner-friendly setup, supports numerous filament types, optional 16-color printing, Maker World model ecosystem. Cons: multicolor printing requires separate AMS hardware, reinforced carbon and glass fiber filaments are not recommended, weighs approximately 38.9 pounds. Overall, the Bambu Lab P1S offers impressive speed, straightforward operation, and broad material compatibility, making it our number 5 pick for the best 3D printers of 2026. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D Printer. Coming in at number 4 is the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, a beginner-friendly desktop 3D printer designed for hobby projects, prototypes, decorations, and functional parts. Its simple assembly process, automatic leveling, and direct drive extrusion system make it easier to start printing without complicated manual calibration. The printer reaches speeds of up to 250 millimeters per second, with acceleration up to 2500 millimeters per second squared. Its CR Touch automatic leveling system and strain sensor automatically adjust the Z offset, helping produce a consistent first layer. Assembly takes approximately 20 minutes and requires only 3 main steps. The Sprite Direct Extruder supports smooth printing with PLA, PETG, and flexible TPU filaments. Dual synchronized Z-axis lead screws help reduce wobbling, while steel linear shafts provide stable movement of the print bed. Its build volume measures approximately 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Pros: up to 250 millimeters per second printing speed, CR Touch automatic bed leveling, automatic Z offset adjustment, reliable Sprite Direct Extruder, supports flexible TPU filament, stable dual Z-axis structure, quiet 32-bit mainboard, flexible spring steel build plate, beginner-friendly assembly. Cons: requires some initial assembly, slower than premium high-speed models. Only PLA, PETG, and TPU are specifically listed. No enclosed printing chamber is mentioned. Overall, the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE combines easy setup, useful automation, and stable printing performance, making it our number 4 pick for the best 3D printers of 2026. Number 3. Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Taking the number 3 spot is the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, a high-speed Core XY 3D printer built for beginners, hobbyists, and users who want fast printing with minimal setup. It can reportedly go from unboxing to printing in around 10 minutes, making it one of the easiest high-speed printers to start using. The Adventurer 5M reaches speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, with acceleration up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared. One-click fully automatic bed leveling helps create a consistent first layer, while vibration compensation reduces ghosting and improves surface quality during fast printing. Its upgraded direct extruder uses a quick detachable nozzle that heats up to 280 degrees Celsius. The nozzle can reach 200 degrees Celsius in approximately 35 seconds and supports a flow rate of up to 32 millimeters cubed per second. The removable dual-sided PEI-coated steel plate makes printed models easier to release. Pros: maximum printing speed of 600 millimeters per second, Core XY motion system, one-click automatic bed leveling, vibration compensation, quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, filament runout detection, power loss recovery, flexible dual-sided PEI build plate, supports PLA, PETG, TPU, and compatible reinforced polymers. Cons: open frame design, advanced filaments require proper ventilation, carbon fiber materials require the compatible 0.6 millimeter nozzle, no enclosures included. Overall, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M combines excellent speed, simple automatic leveling, and reliable recovery features, making it our number 3 pick for the best 3D printers of 2026.
Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer with LED Lamp Kit. Taking the number 2 spot is the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, a compact and beginner-friendly 3D printer, bundled with an LED lamp kit for creating functional, decorative lighting projects. It is designed for users who want an easy setup, automatic calibration, and access to a connected model ecosystem. The A1 Mini features full auto calibration and active flow rate compensation, helping simplify setup and maintain consistent extrusion during printing. Its quiet operation of 48 decibels or less makes it suitable for bedrooms, home offices, studios, and shared workspaces. Through the Maker World model library, users can browse ready-to-print designs, while the Bambu Handy app allows compatible print management from a smartphone. The included LED lamp kit lets users print compatible lamp bodies and turn them into personalized room decor, gifts, or creative DIY projects. Pros: beginner-friendly setup and operation, full auto calibration, active flow rate compensation, quiet operation at 48 decibels or less, Maker World model library access, compatible Bambu Handy mobile app, LED lamp kit included, compact and lightweight design, suitable for toys, decor, gifts, and functional projects. Cons: printing speed is not specified in the listing, build volume is not provided, open frame design, advanced material support is not mentioned, compact size may limit larger projects. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 with LED lamp kit combines simple, automated operation, quiet performance, and a creative starter bundle, making it our number 2 pick for the best 3D printers of 2026. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 3D Printer. Taking the number 1 spot is the Bambu Lab A1, a ready-to-use FDM 3D printer designed for beginners, families, hobbyists, and users who want fast printing with minimal manual setup. Its user-friendly touchscreen and automated calibration system make it easier to start creating models without spending excessive time on adjustments. The A1 delivers acceleration of up to 10,000 millimeters per second squared, allowing it to print quickly while maintaining accurate details. Its full auto calibration manages bed leveling, Z-offset adjustment, and other setup processes before printing. Active flow rate compensation continuously adjusts extrusion based on sensor readings, helping produce smoother and more consistent results. The printer supports optional multicolor printing through the AMS light, although this accessory must be purchased separately or obtained with the A1 combo. Its one-click quick swap nozzle simplifies maintenance and makes switching printing options more convenient. Active motor noise cancellation keeps operation at approximately 48 decibels or below, making it suitable for home offices, workshops, and shared spaces. Users can also access ready-to-print designs through the Maker World model library. Pros: up to 10,000 millimeters per second squared, acceleration, full auto calibration, automatic Z-offset and bed leveling, active flow rate compensation, beginner-friendly touchscreen interface, quick swap nozzle system, quiet operation at 48 decibels or less, optional multicolor printing, Maker World model library access. Cons: AMS light is required for multicolor printing. AMS light is sold separately unless buying the combo. Open frame design, maximum printing speed, and build volume are not listed. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 combines fast performance, extensive automation, quiet operation, and an accessible software ecosystem, making it our number 1 pick for the best 3D printers of 2026.